What's up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. So I know it's been a little while since I've posted anything about Project Prelude, but we are getting things done with this. I got the master cylinder and the brake booster mounted. The only thing that's keeping me from getting this motor in the car is getting all the brake lines ran, and I'm hoping to get that done here pretty quick. Now, check out the motor. We got the block painted. We've got the mounting brackets painted. We even took the distributor apart, painted that. Got all the fuel injectors and fuel rails. Wiring harness all on. There's the wiring harness mounted up in there, looking pretty good. The trans over here, we've got the we got everything painted up nice. I even blew the starter apart and painted all the parts on that in the shift fork. So things are starting to come together on this. It's just taking a little longer than I'd like. Plus my garage has kind of turned into an antique furniture, I don't know what you want to call it, restoration. The wife of one of her friends decided they were gonna, redo some old furniture. So that's been taking up a little space in the garage. But some more parts did show up the other night. So I did get my innovative traction bar set up, and that is right there in that box. So we're gonna get that thing opened up, and I think I'm gonna throw it on the car tonight and get the car back up in the air so that we can get the brake lines ran, because I need to pull the wheels off because I got new rubber lines. So that's gonna be the plan for tonight, is to get that innovative traction bar setup put on and get it back in the air so that we can get the brake lines ran. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below, and check out our website, ftpspeedshop.com. Get yourself some merch. I'm not wearing anything right now. It's a work day, but check it out. Let's get this thing up in the air. Let's pop this bad boy open and see what's inside of it. Maybe having all this furniture in here is a good thing. I got more bench space. Okay. That is the cross member. Seems to have pretty good welds on it. Finish isn't the greatest. I would have liked to see a little bit better job on the powder coating. There's a lot of dust and debris in it. I don't know if you can see any of that or not, but probably not the end of the world. It's going to be on the bottom side of the car, so probably not that big of a deal. So I'm like, whoa. Okay, let's open the rest of it. Hardware, brackets. A little scuffed up, but not too bad. Got a pretty good scratch in it. All this stuff's going to be on the bottom side of the car, not the end of the world. Looks like the welds are good. Quality looks good so far. No stickers, what the hell? Huh. That's all I look forward to, is getting stickers. Not one sticker in here. Alright, well, no stickers, so I guess it's time to get to work. Alright guys, so I opened up the hardware bag. It is missing a ton of stuff. I have no mounting hardware, and/or the heim joints, and/or rod ends, whatever you want to call it. I tore through the box twice, 3 times, 4 times, nothing there. So we're gonna see what the supplier company says. So I don't know what to do. So I guess this is on hold. I'm gonna put it all back in the box and cry tonight, I guess. All right, guys, well, it's been about a month. I probably got these parts about a week ago, so it probably took me about 3 weeks to get the parts that did not come in our innovative traction bar system setup. They were good to us. They sent us the parts that were not in the box, so we're all good there. And in the meantime, some big things have happened to the Prelude. Project Prelude now has a motor sitting in it. We got the valve cover painted, the intake pipe painted, The bumpers are all painted now. There's the rear bumper. Let's get this unboxed. Let's get it opened up and let's pull it off the car. You know, and then put this one on and stuff, because hey, that's the point. We're upgrading things. We're making things faster. Probably not any faster, but we're making things better, I think. This should make it better. All right, guys, so from the research I've done on this, we need to have this thing sitting at ride height when we pull this off, so that we can get the radius arms in a close proximity to where they came from the factory, or where it was sitting at ride height. So we have the car up on blocks right now, and we will go ahead and start unbolting the factory cross member, and we'll get this thing put into place. You will retain the factory hardware to bolt the front subframe section up, so there's no hardware for that comes in the kit. So easy enough. All right, guys, so underneath the car here, we've got two 17mm bolts on each side of the front suspension. Then we need to take out, and then we got two 17mm bolts right here on each side. They need to come out. This is called a redneck impact. These bad boys loosened up. There we go. Alright, guys, had a wardrobe change. It was like 2 o'clock last night, got sleepy, so I said screw it, we'll get it in the morning. So first thing we're going to do here is I'm just going to go ahead and get these heim joints bolted into place and cinched down, and then we'll take our tape measure, and I'm going to just go from the center of this hole to one of these holes, like 17 and about 3/8 inch. And I will screw this in and get it as close to possible where we need to go. So I'll probably go to this second hole here, since this front one's oblong. It's about 15.5 inches. So 19mm bolts and nuts on the kit. All right, so when I tighten this down on the heim here, I wanted this to have as much rotation and movement as possible. So just pay attention to, so when this part is flat, the way it's going to sit on the car, you don't want it to be all the way bound up on one side, just inhibiting movement. Give it as much room as possible. So try to make that centered when you have this piece flat. And that can be adjusted once it's in the car, but I got it tightened down now so it's not going to loosen. And we know we're in the ballpark for our lengths, so it should go up there pretty close to the way it came out. Let's get it in the car. Okay guys, that's going to be a wrap for the innovative traction bar setup on the Prelude. We finally got all the parts in we needed, and it is installed. Super easy to install. There was no installation instructions with it, but it's pretty self-explanatory. I opted to not put the tow hooks on the front because I figured the way the bumper is, it's going to be too low. They're not going to be usable anyway, so didn't need those. I still need to put the cross member up, the center cross member, but I got a bunch of stuff I need to do under the car first. I got to put the axles in and finish bolting in the steering rack the rest of the way and all that stuff underneath there. So when I get underneath there and get all that done, that is when I'll put that center cross member back on. Plus I got to find it because I'm not sure where it's at. I think it's in a pile of Prelude parts in the loft there. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below, and check out our website, ftpspeedshop.com. Pick yourself up a shirt or a hat, or hey, whatever, maybe a sticker or a koozie. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.